Aming pamilya ang nagsiservisyo sa militar.
So what made you choose?
Yung pagpili ko na pumasok sa PMA, I said earlier, is due to financial constraint. But I felt na kailangan kong makatulong sa aking pamilya at that time. And na-discover ko yung PMA through my friend, my classmate, who also aspires to enter the academy. And unfortunately,
Bon, did you tell your mom
about the
yung pagkatapon?
about the specific award, sir, not yet. And since I was consistent in my grades, in every aspects, character, academics, military and physical, I maintained it since I was fourth class, and I was still aiming for it until the last day of the grades evaluation.
Ano yung study habits?
Study habits, I think, mag-start siya sa time management. Since maraming duties and responsibilities meron ng isang kadete, balancing his time in academics and also maintaining his physical aspect. So to aim in the academy, you can't just be the strongest or the smartest. I believe the one thing that made me to what I am today is my faithfulness to God. Because in everything I do, I always pray, I always seek guidance to God. I seek strength para ma-overcome yung mga everyday duties, physically, mentally, and emotionally. And most importantly, I ask for wisdom to guide my actions, my decisions, to know what is wrong and right, and para ma-improve yung aking mga performance ginagawa dito sa akin.
Have time? Are you sure? You know, like for
before entering the academy, I have and that still maintains up until now. She's still my girlfriend, but that would be not my priority when I entered the academy. I already explained that to her. My priority is to graduate, and I believe that all of the cadets' priority is to graduate.
would you like to graduation?
Yes.
Your mother's a vendor.
My mother is a vendor selling ball pens and envelopes in the Quezon City.
Nagpuwesto siya sa City Hall?
Actually,
Outside vending?
actually it is outside vending also. And sometimes she faced struggles in selling those.
Kanino mo unang gustong i-divulge yung accomplishment mo and paano mo i-divulge? Paano mo i-share? Paano mo sasabihin?
Right after.
May nag-vlog?
First, when I assured that I am the class valedictorian, first I want to thank God for His guidance. Na nakarating ako dito at na-achieve ko itong award na ito. Next to my family, who supported me behind the back, na nagparamdam talaga sa akin na hindi lang ang distansya para sa isang pamilyang nagmamahal. To my friends who supported me, mga times na nalolow-moral ako o nalulungkot, they keep saying that you can do it. Mga pista ko, mga classmate ko na kasama kong naghirap, kasama kong
Nasakit ni tatang na
Sila nagkwento.
actually my father was hospitalized around 5 to 6 years ago, in senior high school, sir, before, and I believe it is before entering the college.
He's recovering from
He was broke before, ma'am. And hindi pa siya masyadong nakakalaban. Ayos. Kasi second year. Pinakamahirap for me, ma'am, is yung talagang pagpasok. Yung transition of a carefree civilian life sa regimented life na kung saan bawat galaw ay dinilikta ng utos. And since I don't have a background in military, even ROTC, that posed a great challenge to me to adjust, to adapt. However, PMA, and with the help of my upperclassmen na patuloy na nag-guide sa amin, nagtuturo sa amin, and nagawa kong makapag-adapt, mabilisan, and nagawa ko rin na makagawa ng mindset to excel. And ayan yung naging resulta, kaya nandito ako ngayon.
Were you always an achiever in terms of grades? Since elementary, high school?
Since high school, ma'am, I was always top of our section in the technical vocational course in the junior high school, and in the senior high school in the Batasan Hills National High School. I believe I was competitive enough to be on top, not on the highest, but to be one of the top of the graduates of me of that, ma'am, since that will be also for your security and health. Pero I believe na magulang ko is may sariling desisyon. And I respect her. I respect her sa mga desisyon niya kung gusto niyang magpatuloy. And since yun din yung talagang bumuhay sa amin before, kahit papaano ay nabibigyan kami ng pagsustento sa pag-aaral namin, I left that decision to her.
Your message to your family?
My message to my family, Ma, Pa, Kuya Peter, Jane, salamat sa pagstay. Salamat sa pagsuporta sa akin throughout my cadetship. Simula umpisa, hindi niyo ako inadlangan na pumasok. Salamat sa pagpaparamdam sa akin na nandyan lang kayo palagi sa tuwing nalulungkot ako. Salamat sa pawis, sa pagod, sa oras, sa sakripisyo na ibinigay ninyo upang mabisita lang ako, upang malaman lang kung anong kalagayan ko. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng inyong sakripisyo. And this success is not mine alone, but reflects your unwavering commitment to support me. And see you sa bahay.